Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back for those of you who are already subscribed. My name is Thomas, and a year ago I was in the absolute middle of my weight loss journey, the battle to lose a lot of weight. I was successful in that, and now as of today, August 11th, I am down to my goal weight of 150 pounds. So the channel has been growing and growing and growing, but there has been a problem, right? The weight maintenance, which is what I'm on right now, has been going so well that has a lot of pros, but it has a couple of big cons. One of the big cons is my content lately has been boring, right? I'm not trying to shoot myself in the foot or run myself down, but that's just a simple fact. The better that I'm doing now in this phase, the more boring it is. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be taking this channel in a new direction. It's kind of scary putting myself out there, but I feel like I've done it before. I can do it again. I'm maintaining my body, but my life overall isn't improving that much, right? I'm going in this kind of like linear direction, which is good, right? It's not bad, it's not great, it's just good. And so what I want to do is I want to take what you're about to see right now. What you see is $264, give or take, don't know the exact number. And I want to turn that into $1 million by the time I'm 40. Thomas, you're 29 years old. You want to turn $264 into $1 million in 11 years. Is that at all possible? Is it feasible? Well, I don't know. Why do I want to do this? Because I want a better life. I want a better life for myself. I want a better life for my wife. And then hopefully my wife and I are going to have a child in the future. And so I want to be able to provide a better life, not only for myself, but for my hopefully growing family. I proved I can transform my body, right? I know that we can do it, but I want to get better, and I want to do this with rental properties. I've always loved real estate. I love the idea of it, and I've always felt that you can rent out property at a very, very fair price, not extorting people out of their hard-earned money. And I'd like to be able to do that. And so the goal of the way that this new channel, or the channel, is going to go is going to be to focus more heavily on personal finance and investing and just getting better from the position of somebody who might be just like you, who might earn a similar living, who might live in a similar environment, who might have a similar home than you guys. So that's kind of the outline. That's where I'm wanting this to go, and I'm hoping that I've got you guys so far. So this is the reason, right? I want a better life. I've proven that I can do this. I've proven that I can stay strict and stick to a routine and get the goals that I set for myself. And yeah, a millionaire is pretty cool. I think it's something that a lot of us wish we could be. But now I'm going to make this channel all about my pursuit of not only health and fitness, but also becoming eventually a millionaire. I've got no idea if this is going to be possible. I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I can achieve this goal, but I want to share this journey with you guys, the viewers. So how is this going to look? How is this going to work? Well, the format's not going to change. The format's going to be very similar to what we see now, but instead of just, I'm the same weight as I have been the week before and the week before that, we're going to be seeing some growth. But hopefully, fingers crossed, the growth is not going to be on the scales. It is going to be on the finance side, the growth side, and turning my life around. This isn't going to be gimmicks. This isn't going to be multi-level marketing or some kind of weird pyramid scheme. This is going to be about hard work, saving, putting off the things that you may want in exchange for the greater good down the road. It's just going to be good old-fashioned hard work, and we're just going to see if we can achieve that together. So weekly updates are going to happen. You guys are going to see weekly updates on my investments, on my savings, and on the mistakes, because there will be mistakes made for sure. If you want to see somebody hopefully like yourself, figure this whole thing out, figure out if it's possible, if it's doable, well, then stick around. We might be able to learn something from each other. I'm 29 years old. I never finished high school. I don't have a degree. I am in no way, shape, or form smarter than you guys. I'm just a guy who wants to achieve more and who's willing to work pretty hard to make that happen. So what I would like to ask from you, the viewers, is what would you guys like to see? What would you guys like to see on this side of the channel, on the new direction that this channel is going in? Do you have any specific questions or particular questions for me on how I'm going to achieve that, what my plan is? Do you think it's possible? Do you not think it's possible? I want to hear from you, the viewers, as to what you think can happen or will happen, right? Let me know down in the comments below, because I've had a lot of people in my weight loss journey. The overwhelming majority were super supportive and super, you know what, you can go get them, you can make it happen. This is a different kind of goal, and this video and this channel going forward might attract a whole different kind of person, of viewer. So I don't know if that's possible. I don't know if the feedback's going to change, but I want to hear from you guys. So yeah, that's it. That's the pitch. That's the spiel. That's how we're going to change. Is the weight loss side or the weight maintenance side going to change? I'm going to shrink that up a little bit more. Just as I've done my YouTube stats, they're still going to be in the video, but the whiteboard's going to change a little bit. I'm going to, in my next video, going to outline my goals and my savings and just how I plan on doing that. And yeah, we'll see what happens. But with that being said, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and wish me luck as I delve into this new and exciting time. We'll see what happens. Fingers crossed, everybody. Take care, and goodbye for now. Bye-bye.